welcome to the another vlog. We are at Vanjangi. We reached to the base camp and people who want camping can dial to these numbers. Who want to camp here should find the plain surfaces. One, in the beginning we see the base camp, there we can find the plain surfaces, and in the middle of the truck after crossing the base camp we can find some plain fields. This place is fully covered with fog. Finally we reached to the top of the mountain, and from here we can see entire fog. We are just relaxing here. Do's and don'ts of this truck: old people should avoid, and each and every person should carry their own water bottles and snacks, because whole day you will be trekking to the top and there you will feel hungry, because we will be losing a lot of our calories and we will feel hungry. So better you take good amount of snacks before you start trekking. Climates will change in a fraction of seconds. At one instance you will feel sunlight, and in another instance you will feel fully cloudy and it will rain. Make sure to be on safe side. Bring your own umbrellas, because in case if it rains, we will be on safe side.